Listen up. New game, nobody for say the letter B.
Oh, this game is too simple.
Me, dear. We'll see.
This sound like a foolish game.
If you say any word with B, you out.
Sokka, why you eat today?
Rice and chicken!
Not the round bread thing we sell at cab shop.
Oh, bun.
Oh!
Raz, him say it.
Show! Uno, set me up!
Too late, step aside.
Zuko, watercolor sponge shirt?
Yellow!
Yes! Almost hatch him.
Me have one. Ang wa, animal you fly upon?
Me fly pun.
Him save himself.
My question now. Zuko, where you from?
Fire Nation!
Sponge, why you live in?
Me live in a pine
Say it.
fruit house.
Hang while you eat with Patty.
Bread.
Oh!
Show.
Only we left now. Top YU favorite fruit?
Banana?
Oops, I tried a quiet whole game and still lost.
Waboba clatter happening. Ah!
Look like I win.